Hey beautiful people, my name is Amaka and today I'm going to show you my AM skincare routine. So I have pretty dry skin, so I'm always looking for something that's hydrating and moisturizing, to give my face that luxurious glow. So first things first, I'm going to start off with my oat to milk cleanser and then go on from the rest. I'm just going to put a dime size amount. So I love the smell and texture of this cleanser. When you rinse it off, your face doesn't feel stripped whatsoever. So next up, I'm gonna go in with the chlorophyll mask. So my face is feeling kind of dull right now. I love using this mask. It's bringing back some, nice color back into my skin. So I mixed this along with the rose water toner. So you don't need too much rose water. We're mixing. All right, now it's face time. So this is my favorite part of my skincare routine, the spritz and the face oil. So I spritz my face about a couple of times to get that hydration back into my skin after masking, cleansing, all that good stuff. And so the last step, this is that step where just the glow is undeniable. Like when somebody looks at you, they're like, you're glowing different today. It's because of this face oil, y'all. So I take about 3 drops and I massage it onto my skin. Y'all see that glow though, right? It's beautiful, right? And this is where we are.